These aren't the droids you're looking for.
You understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
I said over easy! The meatloaf! Stop blowing holes in my shit!
Who's scruffy looking?
Ha 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 ha! Shut up!
That's a spicy meatball!
Today we are canceling the apocalypse!
I think you're the most attractive of all my parents' friends. I mean that.
When I left you, I was but a learner. Now I am the master.
You look like a bunch of 5th grade sissies after a cat fight.
Oh, and this one time at band camp?
I want you to play dirty if you have to, but don't get caught.
Who's gonna give it to her, huh, my man?
You want the moon? Just say the word and I'll throw a lasso around it and pull it down.
It's all in the head. Yeah.
Put that thing back where it came from, or so help me! So help me! So help me!
I do a great impression of a hot dog.
You are home.
Don't let that bastard breathe!
My wiener said to me, Jackie, I've had enough of this orgy.
Concentrate, focus, power. Remember balance, make cool fight.
Go easy on the Pepsi.
I love my dead gay son!
Come play with us, Daddy.
To rise from the ashes and grab glory.
Bless this highly nutritious microwavable macaroni and cheese dinner and the people who sold it on sale.
Welcome to the island of misfit toys.
Keep your heads up. Play proud.
This is the part where we blow up!
Not today!
From way up here, you all look like little ants!
Oh, you think darkness is your ally? You merely adopted the dark.
This is the last Horseman. Who is this?
Oh, please, excuse me. I must be psychotic then.
God left this place a long time ago.
Say the magic words, Fat Gandalf.
Does Barry Manilow know that you raid his wardrobe?
Gingivitis is the #1 cause of all tooth decay.
Bond. James Bond.
You can do it. I believe in you.
May our balls be plentiful.
I'm not obsessing. Just curious.
Ghostbusters, what do you want?
Just want to know if you're wearing panties.
I'm trying to hook you up, man. I'm on your side, man.
His name is Robert Paulson.
And hear the screaming of the lamb.
Game over, Chatty Cathy.
I came.
In the immortal words of Jay-Z.
You're not gonna do what I think you're gonna do.
I'll bet you could suck a golf ball through a garden hose.
Take me to your leader, Earthlings.
Let's go for a little ride.
Hey, my girlfriend's dead, you know. She fell off a cliff and died on impact.
This is Jason Bourne. Maybe love is the only answer.
What you gotta do is give me some money, okay?
Can you bring me my chapstick?
I'm in a coffin. I don't know where. Please help, I'm scared.
Put that cookie down! Now!
You turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Put that coffee down.
The gunfight is in the head, not in the hands.
Mine? Show me the money.
An education you could have got for $1.50 in late charges at the public library.
Why do you suppose I just hurled a chair at your head, Neiman?
Cannonball!
Listen, we can do this the easy way or the hard way.
Look it, that's me!
I'll see you at the finish line, buddy!
And your love has meant nothing to either of us.
I don't give a crap if you covered yourself in peanut butter and had a 15-hooker gangbang.
Look at me, Damien. It's all for you.
Let him see the blood this time, huh? Huh?
But if I win, I take the cash and I take the respect.
That was totally wicked!
I am the architect.
I am C-3PO, human-cyborg relations.
What came first? The music or the misery?
All right, fire 'em up!
The Great Bambino!
I am the one who knocks. I'm a dude playing a dude disguised as another dude. I am an animal!
I'm fast food.
Hop inside my mouth if you want to live.
You an official here? Because you have officially given me a boner.
This amendment is that cure.
Is that there are rich teams and there are poor teams. Then there's 50 feet of crap. And then there's us.
You're gonna have to catch me yourself.
Welcome to the Daily Bugle.
But it's up to you whether you heed the words or not.
Daddy's gotta go to work.